Hi, I'm Jeffrey. I'm a licensed therapist. In today's video, I will be demonstrating a way to practice meditation so that you can achieve a little bit more peace in your day-to-day life. Often, we have so many responsibilities throughout the day that it feels like we're being pulled in so many different directions. Meditation helps us slow down, see things more clearly, and less judgmentally. The purpose of the practice that we will be doing is to be able to observe our mind more clearly, less judgmentally, and to be able to distance ourselves from our thoughts. The result of doing this practice on a regular basis is to be able to be less scared of our own mind and to be able to help create more space between our thoughts and our reactions. When we have more space between our thoughts and our reactions, we typically make better decisions. We are less impulsive, and essentially we are more mindful. That being said, let's get into the practice. For this practice, you will need to find a comfortable space where you're going to be sitting either cross-legged or in an upright position. Don't do this lying down, as it's easy to lose focus and you might even fall asleep if you're laying down. Also, for this exercise, try to minimize all external distractions. So try to find a space in which you're not going to be interrupted for the next 5 minutes. Once you're comfortable, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Good. Now, keep your eyes closed, and I want you to notice the thoughts that are popping into your mind. Now, when a thought pops into your mind, I want you to see the words of the thought inside a cloud. Picture it in front of you. Simply observe the thought and try your best to not add any judgment to the thought. And once you see the thought clearly and non-judgmentally, I want you to see the cloud simply blow away. Sit comfortably until the next thought automatically pops up, and repeat this process until the time is up. See the thought, see the words of the thought in a cloud, see the thought clearly, non-judgmentally, and let it go. Keep repeating this process for 1 to 3 minutes. Now take a moment to pause the video to simply practice this. Great job. This practice helps us become less judgmental, more mindful, less scared of our own thoughts, which ultimately leads us to achieve more peace in our life. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. For more content like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next one.